Name is Chief Paul Oziebu from Aba in Wangele, LGM. I am the chairman of Aba Autonomous Communities Development Union. Aba clan is a clan of 4 autonomous communities with very enlightened men and women, including the Ojofors, the Nzes, the Ozos. They're all very well educated, and while they are also the custodians of our traditions, they are also very well exposed individuals who have come to appreciate the need to abolish the loathsome act of the Osu, Ume, and Ohu caste system. In our case, it is a decision of the clan, and this decision was not informed or influenced by any external factors. Rather, it was informed and influenced by the need to liberate everybody. We've discovered that on occasions, the caste system can be a clog in the wheel of progress. We got to realize that while it adversely affects those who have been basically ostracized or branded Osu, Ume, and Ohu, it also negatively impacts the Dialas, because their interactions, their relationships with the Osus, the Umes, and the Dialas are pretty much kept in camera. They cannot, in some cases, openly express their relationships, their communications with those under the caste system. There are so many cases where Dialas end up in relationships with Osus that are kept in the closet for fear of people stigmatizing them for associating with Osus. And in these communities, you discover that the interaction between the Dialas and the Osus in the public eye is minimized or virtually non-existent. But in the private eye, there is very serious interaction that takes place. And rather than being hypocritical about one's desire maybe to have a business relationship, a marriage relationship, etc., people need to positively look at abrogating and abolishing the caste system. Today, you cannot possibly take anybody to the market and sell. Nobody will buy. Therefore, it is dead in its tracks, as it were. So anybody who is still trying to perpetuate or practice the caste system will be seen as actually living in the past. Silent prejudice. Issues of such sensitivity as the caste system in the Igbo tradition that need to be abolished, that are today being discussed in the open, I think is a very positive development. And silent prejudice should be encouraged because it brings to the fore what people can't seem to discuss in the open. You cannot decisively eradicate a problem if you cannot openly talk about it. And silent prejudice has brought the issue out of the closet and in the open. Therefore, it is necessary for the advancement of the Igbo race to discuss, to support silent prejudice. And I am definitely one for this. Silent Prejudice TV series program, a must watch for everybody.